Hey guys, this is Sho-Me Tint. I'm Randy and I got a question for you. Do you like big trucks? Because we got some big trucks. This is a Ram 1500 all lifted up. It's ready for off-road. Look, it says right on it so you know it's ready. Off-road. It actually is a really cool truck. This is for one of our friends over at Corbin Dodge, and we did a half wrap on it. We call this like a cab wrap. It's where you take the top and you make it look black from here up. You've seen these done a whole bunch. There's a ton of different ways. There's actually a company that sells this as a package, and we just do it for them to kind of make it look a little cooler and a little different. I think it looks really neat. It kind of makes it stand out a little bit. It definitely makes it ready for off-road stuff. But this truck has a beautiful blue color already, so there's no reason to wrap the whole thing. It's definitely a little sleeker, a little neater. This is something you see a lot. Like people have us do this all the time. You can do any color, but black just kind of matches the windows and it ties this trim in. It just makes it look a little different, but also still sleek and kind of like subtle, which is what I like. My favorite thing is to keep it a little subtle, but like different. So you look at it twice and go, what was that? Why was that different? You know what I mean? Why did that look so good? Oh, because we did a little wrap on it. It's super cheap. It's cheap-ish, I can say. You know what I mean? If you do it before the end of the year, I'll make it a little cheaper. But it's pretty cool. Like it's all these little valleys are wrapped in here. Can you see in that? Look at that. It's like it's painted. It's because my guy kills it. It looks good. And the customer's super hyped. He's like on the way, like, dude, just please let me know when it's ready because I'm coming. I'm coming. It's ready for the road. And we're on the next project. We've got some really cool projects coming up. I really hope we get this one job. I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna be super sick. But we got a bunch of wraps coming down the pipe. So for this time of year, there's a lot of people that need work, and we're lucky enough to have a lot of it. And I'm thankful for all you guys out there that support us and share it and keep us going through the winter, because we just pretty much booked out all of January. So you'll have a lot of content. We'll have a lot of stuff to show you. Should be some fun stuff. So. All right, guys, I'll see you later.